palabok, and black coffee. Yan yung kay mama. Yes. Sarap po. Yan po. Ang tawag sa luto na to, ma'am?
Sardines pasta.
Wow. Last meal of the day. Let's go. So yon, happy Sunday pala sa inyong lahat. And that's it for today. Wala akong ginawa ngayon kundi mag-ML lang. Tapos kumain. Talagang nagpahinga ako guys kasi linggo naman eh. So totally rest. Wala akong steps and anything. Wala talaga. So ang ginawa ko kumain, nag-ML, pahinga. Tapos yun lang. Hinit ko lang yung macros ko today. And lalagay ko ulit dito yung calories and macros ng kinain ko. So, ayun lang muna for today. Pasensya na, medyo boring. So, that's it for today. See you again tomorrow.